Hello everyone! Welcome back to ADME Tech Solutions, where technology meets creativity. In today's quick video, iLines show you how to create a professional logo in just 2 minutes using free AI tools. No design experience needed. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for Free AI Logo Maker. You'll find several great options. Once you open one, type in your brand or business name. For this example, I'll use ADME Tech Solutions. Then, you need to choose your industry. I'll pick technology, but you can select anything from education to media. Next, pick your favorite colors. For a tech brand, electric blue, black, and white always look amazing and professional. It's that simple to set up. Now for the exciting part. Click Generate Logo and watch the magic happen. In just a few seconds, the AI will create dozens of modern, unique logo designs based on your brand name, colors, and industry. Just scroll through all the options and find one that really captures your brand's personality. I'm looking for something that feels futuristic, clean, and professional. Look at all these fantastic designs. Once you've found a design you love, click on it to start customizing. This is where you can truly make it your own. You can easily change the font, adjust the icon, and even play with the color gradients to get it just right. You can also add a slogan or even your brand name in a local language like this, ADME Tech Solutions. It adds a great personal touch. When you're completely happy with your masterpiece, just hit download. It's usually available in PNG or SVG format, ready to be used on your YouTube channel, website, or social media pages. And that's it! Your very own AI-generated logo, created in just a couple of minutes. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned here at ADME Tech Solutions for more awesome tech tips, AI tools, and creative tutorials. Until next time, keep innovating.